soak this paper waste in water for at least 2 to 3 hours. All this paper waste is now being added to your foam mixie. Please also add some water to it. Look at this. It's beautifully pulped up. And right now what we're going to do, we're going to add some seeds to it. Once you're done with stirring, you can add a little bit more water to it. Now take your pulp and pour it very gently on the cookie cutters. Look at this. Your pulp is almost ready and it's all ready to grow now. Let the seed paper or the seed bombs dry in the sun and now your paper will become plants. Everybody understood? If everybody understood, just put a thumbs up if you like this. If it's so easy, don't you think it's easy to make it at home? I made a very simple process how you can make it at home. Boys and girls, if you want me to play the video once again, I shall play it once again. Because after the session, we won't have the video playing again.
Can you play it? Sir, can you send it at home?
I will play it once again. Please go through it again. I will just play it. So for everybody who didn't get it the first time, I'm going to play it once again.
Send the link?
I will share. I'll send you all the links. No problem. Boys and girls, this is the paper waste which you're using today. Please soak this paper waste in water for at least 2 to 3 hours. All this paper waste is now being added to your foam mixie. Please also add some water to it. Look at this. It's beautifully pulped up. And right now what we're going to do, we're going to add some seeds to it. Once you're done with stirring, you can add a little bit more water to it. Now take your pulp and pour it very gently on the cookie cutters. Look at this. Your pulp is almost ready and it's all ready to grow now. Let the seed paper or the seed bombs dry in the sun and now your paper will become plants. Everybody like this video? Just say yes, 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 yes. Say yes. Superb. I want everybody to try it at home today.
Yes.
I want you to try it at home today. You will see the magic of actually recycling paper and growing plants. All your friends will be excited. If you show your parents, they'll be very excited. Show your friends how you can actually grow paper plants from paper.
Can you send the video to
I will show you. I'll tell you what you can do. I'll ask your teacher. Your teacher will help you in all this. Okay. Okay. Another thing, boys and girls. I think it's 9:50 and you need to take your questions also. I'll run through these slides. You can also make seed paper at home. This is different kits are available with us in which you can make different type of seed papers at home. If you want to make in bulk, you can always make seed paper at home. But I want you to try out this simple exercise today, how you can actually make different types of seed paper and seed bombs by using very simple techniques.
Okay, Roshan.
Okay, I'm going to end my session now. It's almost 9:15. Boys and girls.
Roshan, you can remove the PPT so that we can take you on the window, Roshan.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm going to share my video. I'm going to finish now, Anamika.
And
can you see me?
yeah, you have to remove your PPT.
Okay, I'm closing now. Then I'll close my PPT.
Sure.
So anyways, everybody knows Holi is coming around the corner. I want you guys to learn also how you can make Holi colors from petal waste. From petals, flower petals, you can actually make Holi colors. We are not using any chemical and you can actually make it all at home.
And
okay?
it's very safe for your skin.
Very safe. So everybody has to make a promise today not to use any chemical Holi colors. Holi is happening this month end. Please don't use any chemical Holi colors. Make Holi colors at home.
So then when will we show it?
Okay, you can actually ask your teacher will help you. If you want to see the video link, it is on YouTube, boys and girls. The video
we'll share the presentation and we'll share the link after the session.
I'm going to stop sharing now. Everybody
Okay,
can see
children,
me.
now please mute yourself. Raise your hands. You all know the rules. Please raise your hand if you want to talk to Mr. Roshan. Please raise your hand. I will call your name. You can unmute and then talk to him.
Everybody's raising their hand.
That's okay. We'll give them a chance one by one.
Super.
Okay, Mehreen, go first. Mehreen, go.
Mehreen, where's Mehreen?
Should we put mustard seeds? Should we put mustard
You
seeds
can
or
put mustard
some
seeds.
other seeds?
You use mustard seeds now because at home you have mustard seeds. Please use mustard seeds from your home kitchen. Okay? Ask your mummy. She'll give you the mustard seeds.
Aditya, grade 1 Aditya. Ask your question to sir. Unmute yourself, Aditya.
Sir, was that water?
Yes, we're using only water. Only water we guys are using right now.
Aviraj.
Sir, can we, instead to put it in the cookie cutters, can we put it in a bowl?
Don't put it in a bowl because it becomes very big. Just use cookie cutters. It's very simple. You can also get a cookie cutters from any bakery shop also. Okay? When your mom is making cookies at home or she's making any, fries at home, she'll have this cutters. Use that. Don't use any bowl. It becomes very big.
Ira.
Sir, I don't
Ira, please mute yourselves. Ira.
Is it okay if we use old newspaper?
Yes, this is a very good example. Everybody can use also newspaper, but the only thing is that the color becomes a little bit gray. The color doesn't look good. It is not white. It becomes a little bit gray. If that doesn't matter, you can use old newspaper also. It's a very good idea. But the color becomes gray. That's it.
Manan.
Can we use any kind of seeds?
Can you repeat your question?
Can we use any kind of seeds?
Don't use any kind of seeds. Yes, you can use different type of seeds, but I would suggest please use mustard seeds which are in your kitchen. You can use different types of seeds also, but mustard seeds grow very fast. So use mustard seeds for today's exercise. Use only mustard seeds.
Anika. Anika.
Yes.
Anika, please ask your question.
We'll only use mustard seeds.
Yes, you have to use only mustard seeds for today's exercise. Use only mustard seeds. You can write it down.
So,
Karan.
sir, do those bombs, you shot those bombs and when the plants grows on top,
Okay.
do they really blast?
They don't blast. The bombs don't blast. Instead of blasting, the bombs become plants. So this is what we are doing now. It's
Do
never
they
done
really
before.
blast?
They don't blast. They blast and become plants.
Zayed.
Ma'am, what did you
Sai.
say after? So what did you say after putting the paper in the mixie? My connection.
I cannot hear you. Can you repeat your question?
Zayed, can you be loud?
He's saying he lost his connection. What did you do after putting your paper in the mixie?
Okay, I'm going to share the whole PPT with you. I'm going to share the video link also. After we put the seeds in the mixie, we poured the liquid, which is nothing but the pulp, into the cookie cutters. We let it dry for some time. So when it dries, it takes 2 to 3 days to dry. And after some time, you can actually make it into the paper. The plants actually grow from the paper itself. I will share the whole video with you. You can go through the whole video once again.
Akshay. Akshay. Dhruv, please wait for your turn. Dhruv, please wait for your turn. Akshay.
Sir, we put the papers in the mixie for 2 or 3 hours. No, I mean put it in the water for 2 or 3 hours. No, and then
Okay, I understood your question. Take the paper, I'll just repeat again. Take the paper, soak it in water for 2 to 3 hours. You grind it only for 30 seconds in a mixie. Don't grind it for 2 hours. Just grind it only for 30 seconds in a mixie. Once you grind it for 30 seconds, it becomes pulp. Okay?
Okay, Nishka.
Ma'am, can I also make it in this? It's very small.
No, let me see. Show to the camera. Let me see. Yes, you can. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yes, you can. But pour a little bit pulp when you're making it today at home. Your homework is at home. You can pour it and you remove it and place it on the ground. But it has to dry in the sun. Remember, it has to dry. If it doesn't dry, the paper immediately becomes a plant. So it has to dry as soon as possible. You can do it in the plastic cup, no problem.
Catherine.
Can I use, if I don't have the cookie cutters, can I use the shape of my Play-Doh which I'm playing?
Can you show me? Use cookie cutter, boys and girls, today. Don't use anything else, just use cookie cutters.
No, she has a Play-Doh. Roshan, I'll tell you, the Play-Doh also comes with these cookie cutter kind of a thing in plastic.
Okay. I'm not seeing the Play-Doh, so if it is similar
you can
to
use
cookie
it.
cutter, you can use it. You can use it if it's similar.
Sir,
Wait.
plant grow immediately?
Who's asking the question? Can you repeat it once again?
Dhruv, please ask.
So can I let my plant grow immediately?
Can you let a plant grow into a neem tree?
No, I wanted to grow. You said if you don't let it die, to grow a plant immediately.
Correct.
So can I let it happen or should I not?
You can let it happen also if you want to see the plant growing immediately. It will happen immediately. The plant will start sprouting in 2 to 3 days time. But if you want to dry it and show to your friends, you can dry it, show to your friends, and you can plant it anytime you want. Understood, right?
Aru, you've logged in with Aru Paru. I have seen your hands up. Please ask your question.
Ma'am, how I know how to make the flower holy color.
Very nice. You know how to do it. Very good. So you should tell everyone, all your friends also, you should tell them, do not use any chemical holy colors. Use only petal holy colors.
Urvi.
So how much water should we use?
Use 1 cup of water. Don't use more than that. Just use 1 cup of water. When you're mixing the paper along with the mixie, you take the waste paper, 1 cup of water, pour it in the mixie. Don't use more than that. If it becomes very hard, add some more water. But I would suggest right now, just use 1 cup of water.
It should be pulpy. What he showed in the video. We will share the video.
Arvia. Arvia.
Miss, how should we make the holy colors?
That will be in the next workshop in which we'll be talking about holy colors. But for today, you'll be only talking about seed paper and how to make seed paper at home.
Okay.
Isha.
Miss, then, sir, like,
Isha, are you asking your question? Okay, you can take your. I'll come back to you later, Isha. Ria.
any kind of
Ria.
Sorry? Are you asking?
Please repeat the instructions, sir.
I will share the whole instruction. I will share the video. And if you still have doubts, you can always ask me or you can ask your teacher also. I'll be sharing the whole video with you.
Isha, you are ready with your question now?
Can we use any kind of seeds?
Yes, you can use any type of seeds. The seeds which grow the fastest, But for today's exercise, just use mustard seeds because mustard seeds grow the fastest. You can use any type of seeds, but for today's exercise, use only mustard seeds.
Roshan, one more thing. Roshan, do you do this in the factory or do you do this at home? Where do you do the seed paper, Roshan?
I do this all in the factory, but for this exercise today, I just did it at home.
So it's a small factory, big factory. How many seeds, paper, and everything you finally produce in a year or so?
So we have different seeds, boys and girls. We are using marigold seeds. We're using basil seeds. We're using chia seeds. We're using sunflower seeds. We're using different types of seeds and different types of paper. We're making big sizes. So what I showed you today is a very small size which you can make at home. But we make different sizes. We make around 50,000 sheets. In every 3 months, we make around 50,000 sheets.
So we can definitely give a birthday card or birthday invite in the seed paper, right? With these kids, really do birthday, right?
We can have on the Teacher's Day. You can have you can draw on the seed paper and you can plant the seed paper also.
Excuse me, sir.
Nirmal?
So, do we need to put it in the mud, or if we don't dry it, it will just start to grow on its own?
Yes, if you don't dry it in the sun, it will start to grow on its own. So it's better to dry it for now, and you can always keep it with you. And after, whenever you want it, you can put it in the soil, it starts to grow. So I would suggest don't grow it immediately.
If we don't dry it, it will just start to grow without.
Exactly, it will start to grow immediately. But if you want to keep it for a longer time, dry it and you put it in the soil, it starts growing. Whenever you want it, then it can start growing.
Okay. We should put in some. Thank you.
Yukta?
We should put in soil.
Yukta?
We can use red color.
Sorry, Yukta, I can't hear you. What you told me?
Can we use color paper?
Yes, you can also use color paper. But for today, boys and girls, if you want, you can use newspaper. It's very safe. You can use newspaper or any small white color paper or use newspaper. The only problem with newspaper, the color doesn't look good. It looks a little bit gray type or blackish. Because anybody has any idea why the newspaper looks a little bit blackish when you make it into pulp? Anybody has any idea?
We can put in soil. So because the color starts to color.
Correct, exactly. Because there's so much of carbon printing on the newspaper, the carbon mixes with the paper and it looks a little bit grayish or blackish. Because all the carbon print comes out from the newspaper, which is not healthy. I won't recommend. So, but for today's exercise, you can also use newspaper. But the best paper we can use is white paper. Some paper like this, any white paper, which is old paper, or any drawing paper, any old paper. Try to avoid any color paper. Just use something which is white for now. Anything white. Yes, which is old. Don't use something which is valuable. Something which is old.
Excuse me, sir.
Tejas, please ask your question, Tejas.
विशाल थोड़ा उधर बात करना ना.
Tejas?
Sir?
Yes.
We can
Yes,
put
Tejas.
soil. We can put soil.
Yes, once it dries, you can put it in the soil, and after 2 to 3 weeks' time, it becomes a plant. You can put it in the soil.
Mr. Roshan, thank you.
Thank you,
Actually, the session is going to end on its own in a minute's time. So I just wanted you to say a bye to the children because it was really an interesting and intriguing session.
Nice. I want everyone to do it today. Boys and girls, bye-bye. If you have
You can follow Roshan on Seed Paper India. You can tell your parents to follow Roshan.
Yes.
I'll share the links also. Have a great day, guys. Boys and girls, bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye.